Okay, so let us start with the sewing. We're going to do most of the top stitching now, yeah, on the panels. It will go very, very fast if nothing goes wrong. So you can imagine if you have a pack of your panels lying next to you, then you can just quickly put them through. You can sit there, if you do 20 shirts or 100 shirts, you can sit the entire day here and just do all of them once. Just want to check the bobbin here. Make sure everything is fine. So you must start off with a collar, and then you work from there. I normally don't make use of needles if I don't have to keep everything in place. The thing is with these industrial machines, they run very fast. So I have a tendency to put the needle, because I'm right hand, I work with my right hand mostly. I have a tendency to put the needle that way. So if you put the needle that way, or the pins that way, and you accidentally press the foot here, and this machine goes fast, the needle can go into your finger. So I just normally, if I don't have to, I don't use needles. And with this textile, the Rami linen, it's not sliding around, so you can easily, you don't really need pins to pin everything in place. Okay, so that's the first one. So these ones all get top stitching, and then we're just going to push them through, line them up there more or less, make sure that it's flat. Let me just put the next one in. Don't cut them, that just takes lots of time. cut them later when everything is finished. You just push them through, make sure they're nicely aligned. Okay, so you just cut them like this, and then so if you can do quite a lot of these of the of these per day. You can hundreds if you sit carefully, make sure all your stuff is right, and then you can do a lot of them. So these bottom pockets get the top stitch here right on the fold, to prevent the pocket from opening up here. Because here you can see that it's open there. So just to prevent it from opening up there. And they also get a stitch at the bottom here, just to keep everything in place when we sew the bottom pocket onto the waistband. So this concludes the sewing of the panels, or some of the top stitching of the panels, sort of. what we'll do now is we're just going to attach the pockets to the front panels and iron on the turn the collar over and do the ironing there, and then we're going to put everything together. We're going to move to the serger. Oh no, we're going to put the pockets on the front panel, and then we'll move over to the serger and put everything together. So there's not a lot to do now. Further, I'm just going to rethread the serger first, because I bought a different color, navy blue, that suits the color of the shirts much, the blue of the shirts much better. Yeah, but I'll make a video of that as well. I'm not going to do a detailed threading video. I just smart to do the video. Okay.